Hello, my fellow humans, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! This is just something I thought I'd do for fun and also maybe for school, sorta, kinda, but that's not important. The important part is what kind of content I will be producing. And if you were wondering that, then well, I'm sure glad that you wondered. The answer is a sort of educational anarchy. It'll essentially just be taking a whiteboard and a marker and just sort of... Oh, crap. Ranting about the Cold War or something. Many topics will be discussed on this channel, including history, science, technology, politics, literature, economics, pretty much anything that will allow you, lovely people, to fill your brains up with that delicious knowledge juice. I just said that. So it's like school, except I'm here, which, you know, it has to count for something, right? Right? Also, if I'm bored or short on time or just too lazy to undergo the Herculean task of scribbling down some stick figures, then I may just record a video of me talking directly to the camera or commenting over footage of a video game or something. Oh, I know that's a bit cliche, but I have school and homework and, for now at least, the need to sleep. So, just letting y'all know the possibilities. Yeah. Is that it? I think that's it. Remember to like the smash button and subscribe with the bell with the bell thing to keep up to date with what will most likely be a giant plague-infested pile of nuclear waste, somewhat resembling my upload schedule. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you, and I'm sorry.